Hello children, hope you all have practiced word problems. They're given practice sums, and also today along with me you're going to practice some story sums. Come, let us go to the session. Now read this sum. Balu has 25 bananas and 32 oranges. How many fruits does he have altogether? We read the question once again. Balu has 25 bananas and 32 oranges. How many fruits does he have altogether? In this sum, in this story, we understood that Balu is having how many bananas? 25 bananas. And how many oranges? 32 oranges. So now what is the question? What we have to find? We have to find how many fruits he has altogether. Okay, does he have altogether? So two things. How many fruits we have to find? So this is also fruit, this is also fruit. We have to put together. We got an idea. And also you can check this word. This word indicates that we should do addition. We should do addition here in this sum. So now we start with the statement. Before starting with the statement, what is the first step? We should write tens and ones. We should write tens and ones. Next, leave one line. Then start here. Leave one line and start. Balu has 25 bananas. So always when we are writing the statement, we start with the word number of. We start with the words number of. So number of what? Bananas. Number of bananas. How many bananas we have? 25. So 25. Next, 32 oranges. So how many oranges? We have 32. How we form the statement? Number of oranges, 32. Now here comes the question. How many fruits does he have altogether? Next, altogether says we have to do addition. So we put plus symbol here. We draw two lines to separate addends and sum. And now we have to find fruits. How many fruits altogether? So we can say total. Total number of fruits. Total number of fruits. We can take these words from the question itself. They have asked how many fruits we have. So we have made the sentence statement total number of fruits. Now we are proceeding with addition. First we start from ones place. 5 and 2. 5 and 2. 5 plus 2 gives the sum 7. And 2 plus 3, 2 in mind and 3 in finger. After 2, 3, 4, 5. So how we read this? 5 tens and 7 ones. So the answer is 57. So we write Balu, or you can write he. He has 57. What is the answer? 57 fruits altogether. Balu or he has 57 fruits altogether. So this is how we read the question and solve the sum. Now we move to the next example. A bag seller has 28 red bags, 32 blue bags and 19 green bags. How many bags does he have in all? I read the question again. A bag seller has 28 red bags. How many red bags? 28. 32 blue bags. Blue bags are 32. And 19 green bags. He has 19 green bags also. Now the question is, how many bags does he have in all? So in all, how many bags we have to find? So here the information is this part. He has 3 colors of bags, and now we have to find what is the total, because here you can see the words in all. In all means the first clue, we have to add and find what is the total number of bags. Now what is the first step? First step is we have to write tens and ones. Next we have to leave one line and start writing the statement. Here what is the first information? 28 red bags. So always, I remind you, always when we start writing the statement, we have to start with the words number of red bags. Number of red bags 20, 28, and next is 32 blue bags. Number of blue bags are 32 and number of green bags 19. So we write number of green bags 19. Now you can see here, we can see 3 numbers, 3 two-digit numbers. Now we are going to add these 3 two-digit numbers, because we are supposed to add here, only then we can find the total number of bags. So if we are adding, what sign we are supposed to put? Plus. Then we separate the add-ins and sum, and now then we write what we are going to find: total number of bags. Total number of bags. Now we start doing the addition. 8 plus 2, 8 in mind and 2 in finger. After 8, 9, 10. Now 10 in mind and 9 in hand, 9 in fingers. After 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So 19 means we write the second number here, and first number we take it to tens place. So we write here and we circle that number to differentiate from the add-ins, because we do carry over here. Now we have to move to tens place and start doing addition. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 4, 5, 6, and 6 plus 1 is 7. So this how we do 3 two-digit numbers addition, and here the answer is, that is total number of bags are 79. So how we take and write the answer? How many bags does he have in all? So we write he has 79 bags in all. So we write he has. We can write either he or bag seller. He has 79 bags in all. Hope you understood this sum. Next we go to the third example. Here Mr. Sam planted 30 neem trees, 47 mango trees and 16 apple trees. How many trees did he plant in total? I repeat, Mr. Sam planted 30 neem trees, 47 mango trees and 16 apple trees. How many trees did he plant in total? So we understood that he planted 3 types of trees: neem tree, mango tree and apple trees. So how many neem trees he planted? 30. So number of mango trees he planted? 47. And number of apple trees he planted is 16. Now we have to find how many trees he planted in total. So in total means we have to do addition. How the addition should happen? We have to add these 3 types of trees. Now we start. What is the first statement? He planted 30 neem trees. So here we write, first step is write T, tens and ones, leave one line, then start number of neem trees. Number of neem trees what? Planted. Mr. Sam planted, or you can write number of neem trees he planted. Here I'll go for Mr. Sam planted 30. Next is 47 mango trees Mr. Sam planted. So number of mango trees Mr. Sam planted are like 47. Next, number of apple trees. Number of apple trees Mr. Sam planted 16. How many apple trees we have? 16. 16. Now we are going to find the total. So we put the plus sign here. Now we will find the total. We are separating. What we are going to find the total number of trees. Total number of trees he or Mr. Sam planted. So now we start doing the addition. 0 plus 7, 7. Anything we add with 0 gives the same number. 0 plus 7, 7. 7 plus 6, 7 in mind and 6 in finger. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 13 means we write 3 here and we carry over 1 to 10's column. Now we start doing the addition. Here we have 1, 3, 4 and again 1. So 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. I repeat, 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. Answer is 93. 93. total number of trees Mr. Sam planted are 93. So how we taken right? He planted or Mr. Sam planted 93 plants in total in total or in all. That's it, children. We have practiced 3 word problems with different cases. Now here comes the practice sums. I'll read the question. I'll read the sums alone for you. You have to solve these 2 sums in your notebook. First story sum is Raj has 19 books. Raj has 19 books. Sita has 40 books. What is the total number of books they have? So Raj has 19 books. Sita has 40 books. We have to find total number of books. Understood, children? So for this you have to write the statement and write the numbers, do the addition, and once you get the answer, once you get the sum, you have to take the answer and write in the next line. Second question, second sum, Ben had 39 glasses. His sister gave him 47 more glasses. How many glasses does he have in all? Ben had how many glasses? 39 glasses. His sister gave him 47 more glasses. Sister gave to Ben 47 more glasses. How many glasses does he have in all? So for this also you can see the word in all, and you have 2 numbers. One is Ben already has, and second one is number of glasses his sister gave. So you have 2 numbers here. Just check what you have to do. Write the statements and solve the sum and write the answer below that. Hope you all understood very clearly word problems in addition. Here we are closing the chapter addition. Thank you, children.